Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to choose a solid budget monitor and can't decide between the Dell SE2425HG, MSI MAG 255F E20 and Acer KA242Y E0, so this video is going to help you figure out which one fits your needs the best. We will break down the performance, the comfort and everyday usability so that you can make a smart decision. And if you would like to check the current pricing of any of them, you can find the product links in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with the display basics. So all the three monitors offer you the full HD resolution, which means clear text, sharp video playback and good overall detail for the daily tasks. So if I talk about their strengths individually, so the Dell SE2425HG is the safe and the practical option. It focuses on the balanced colors and dependable performance. If your main activities are emails, spreadsheets, online meetings, and streamings, so the Dell feels stable and easy on eyes. It is basically its design is simple and professional, that makes it ideal for the home offices or the clean desk setups. Then if I talk about MSI MAG 255F E20, it leans more towards gaming. The slightly larger screen is going to give you a bit more immersion, and it's typically offer you the better motion fluidity as compared to the standard office monitors. If you play fast-paced games and you want smoother motion during the videos and the scrolling, the MSI stand out. It has a slightly more aggressive design, but still works fine in the mixed work and play setups. Then we have Acer KA242Y E0, which feels like a balanced all-rounder. It is going to basically handle the work, the movies, and the casual gamings comfortably. Acer focuses more on the eye comfort features like flicker-free technology and blue light reduction, which is going to help during the long study or the work sessions. It's not gaming focused, but it's reliable for the everyday use. So when it comes to the motion and the refresh rate differences, the MSI usually offers you the smoother performance, making it better for gaming or fast video content. Design wise, the Dell and the Acer keep things minimal and clean. MSI adds a slight gaming touch, especially in the stand and the overall styling. So the question here is which one is actually best for you. So in my opinion, if you want steady and professional monitor mainly for the work and the daily task, then the Dell SE2425HG is a sensible choice for you. If gaming and smoother motion matters more to you, the MSI MAG 255E20 is going to give you that extra edge. And if you want a balanced monitor for work, for movies and light gaming with good comfort features, the Acer KA242Y E0 is a safe middle ground. So at the end of the day, the best monitor depends on what you use it for the most. So if you like to compare the prices and if you want to check out the full specifications of any of these monitors, you can just check out the product links in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.